We all have our ups and downs. It's a natural part of life, much like riding a roller coaster. There are moments when we feel on top of the world and other times when we feel like we're plummeting into a valley. One minute we're happy and energized, filled with excitement and joy. These are the moments when everything seems to be going our way and we feel unstoppable. The next, we might feel sad or frustrated, as if a dark cloud has suddenly appeared overhead. These feelings can come out of nowhere and leave us feeling confused and overwhelmed. These shifts in our emotional state are called mood swings. Mood swings are normal and can be influenced by a variety of factors, including stress, sleep, diet, and even the weather. They are part of being human. Everyone experiences them, regardless of age, gender, or background. It's a shared experience that connects us all. Think of them like the weather. Sometimes it's sunny, and everything feels bright and cheerful. These are the days when we feel our best, full of energy and optimism. Sometimes it's cloudy, with a chance of rain. On these days, we might feel a bit down or melancholic, and that's perfectly okay. It's just a part of the natural ebb and flow of our emotions. Mood swings become a problem when they are extreme, causing significant disruption to our daily lives. They can make it difficult to function at work, school, or in our personal relationships. They can also be a problem when they happen very often, leaving us feeling like we're constantly on an emotional roller coaster. This can be exhausting and can take a toll on our mental and physical health. If you feel like your moods are controlling you, it's important to seek help. Talking to a therapist or joining a support group can provide valuable tools and strategies to manage your emotions and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. You're not alone in this. Many things can trigger mood swings. Hormones play a big role. That's why teenagers and pregnant women often experience more mood swings. Stress is another major culprit. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones that can make us feel irritable and on edge. Lack of sleep, poor diet, and certain medical conditions can also contribute to mood swings. It's like our bodies and minds are trying to tell us something is off. Imagine trying to have a conversation with someone whose mood keeps changing. It would be confusing and frustrating, right? That's what it's like for people experiencing frequent or intense mood swings. It can make it hard to focus at work or school. Relationships can also suffer. Mood swings can lead to arguments and misunderstandings. It's like speaking different emotional languages. Section 4. Taking control of the ride. Practical tips for managing mood swings. Mood swings can be challenging, but with the right strategies, we can navigate through them more smoothly. The good news is that there are things we can do to manage mood swings. One effective approach is to keep a mood journal. By tracking our emotions and identifying triggers, we can gain better insight into our patterns and take proactive steps to address them. One of the most effective strategies is to practice relaxation techniques. These techniques can help us stay grounded and centered, even when our emotions feel overwhelming. Deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness exercises are particularly beneficial. Taking a few minutes each day to focus on our breath can make a significant difference in how we feel. Yoga can help calm our minds and bodies. The combination of physical movement and mental focus in yoga can be incredibly soothing and can help us release built-up tension. It's like hitting the pause button on the emotional roller coaster. Taking a moment to pause and breathe can help us regain control and perspective. Another helpful tip is to establish a regular sleep schedule. Consistent sleep patterns can have a profound impact on our mood and overall well-being. When we're well rested, we're better equipped to handle stress and regulate our emotions. A good night's sleep can make us feel more refreshed and ready to take on the day. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated are crucial. What we eat and drink can significantly affect our mood and energy levels. Regular physical activity, like taking a walk in nature, can also boost our mood and reduce stress. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of social support. Talking to friends, family, or a support group can provide comfort and perspective. Sharing our feelings with others can lighten the emotional load and help us feel more connected. By incorporating these practical tips into our daily routine, we can better manage mood swings and improve our emotional well-being. Remember, it's about taking small, consistent steps towards a more balanced and fulfilling life. Section 5. Food, Mood, and You. The power of nutrition in mood regulation. What we eat can have a big impact on how we feel. The connection between our diet and our mood is profound and often underestimated. When we consume nutrient-rich foods, we provide our bodies and brains with the essential components they need to function optimally. This can lead to improved mood, better focus, and overall enhanced well-being. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can significantly influence our mental health. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to mood disorders. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your daily meals can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. Can provide our brains with the nutrients they need to function properly. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and flax seeds, are particularly beneficial for brain health. They help build cell membranes in the brain and have anti-inflammatory effects that can improve mood and cognitive function. It's also important to stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining the balance of bodily fluids, which affects everything from digestion to circulation to temperature regulation. Even mild dehydration can impact your mood, energy levels, and ability to think clearly. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and irritability, making it harder to manage stress and stay focused. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help keep your energy levels stable and your mood balanced, which can worsen mood swings. When we're dehydrated, our bodies struggle to perform basic functions, and this can exacerbate feelings of frustration and anxiety. Ensuring you drink enough water is a simple yet effective way to support your mental health. Think of food as fuel for your emotional well-being. Choose wisely, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and can adjust your diet to better support your mood and overall health. And you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. By making mindful choices about what you eat and drink, you can take control of your mood and improve your quality of life. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements, so start today and experience the power of nutrition in mood regulation. Section 6. Moving your mood. The benefits of physical activity. Exercise isn't just good for our physical health, it's great for our mental health too. When we engage in physical activity, our brains release endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Even a brisk walk or some gentle stretching can make a difference. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Section 7. Riding the waves with grace. You've got this. Mood swings are a normal part of life. Remember, you're not alone in this. By understanding the causes of mood swings and adopting healthy coping mechanisms, you can regain control of your emotional well-being. Be patient with yourself and don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. You've got this.